In the Gospel, we come across many passages, especially in St. Luke's Gospel, that Jesus went up to the mountain at night for prayer because daytime he had no time even to eat or to rest. The only time he got was at night, and he went to pray. Jesus was God and man. He had two natures, and yet he felt the need to pray. Why? Because as a man, he had all the temptations which we have. So he wanted the strength. Besides, he wanted to do only the will of his Father, because Jesus has said, "My food is to do the will of my heavenly Father." So he wanted to be in touch with his heavenly Father. Therefore, he went up to the mountain to pray. At this time, he took Peter, John, and James, three of his most beloved disciples. And as they were praying, the disciples saw two men, Moses and Elijah, the most important prophets of the Old Testament, were there next to Jesus. And Peter tells Jesus, "Let us build 3 booths here, tents, one for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah." Because Peter liked that experience, so he wanted to remain there on the mountain. And then a cloud comes and covers them. And from the cloud, the voice comes, "This is my beloved Son. Listen to him." If Peter, John, and James had refused to go with Jesus, they would not have experienced the glory of Jesus. Jesus invited them, and they responded. Therefore, they got this gift.